Support your local batsman. Look it up. Well and true. Good Samoan family, man. Doing good things out here in the community. Beautiful place.
The first prizes, okay, is going to go to our little kiddies, because without our little kiddies, there will be no motivation. Most of you guys are supporting all the kids. So can I get all the kids that are having trained? Come on, hey, come on up. What's your mom?
I can come for her.
So unfortunately, we have only 2 of the kids here. But we've got baby in here. Yeah, she can represent Roma. So, this award is MVP. MVP is most valued person. This person turns up to all of our trainings, and this person always gives up their best, no matter the struggles and that, always. So, MVP, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, come on, make some noise.
Up, Jesus.
Challenge na saya. Ya ikut saya ini. Ulu oleh. Ya ila oleh sa ya ini challenge ah. Ile ang nilay ko na yan ulofa. O fire nilay ya. Iya. Jadi sewa melukai, aku overweight, and they say exercise. Kaya dia apa mau pasal? Dia apa kaya? Sekarang akan dinikah apa itu? This each and every one of you, you all have been like that. Orang sangat akan dia tua. Pak Mandia punya family. Ya Allah oleh aku challenge dia, so God bless. In Jesus' name, amen.
This is the most improved person. This person will turn up to training as well. This person will give it his best. This person conquered one tree hill, not once, twice. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise, put your hands together for Ame!
I never would be. But yeah, thank you. These guys for a while. We know Seymour to stay. So when I saw the opening come up on it, and Bill was saying, get maintaining for nothing more than now, but anyway, I just want to say this is the first, I don't see it as a weight loss challenge, I see it as a health, well-being journey, pilgrimage, because it doesn't end here. But thank you so much. And I will say a few minutes later, but listen now. I love you.
This one was for Ave. Ave, he was a big support. He was always supporting everybody. He's a quiet guy, but he would always be there for those that was like, down behind. He never left anyone behind. So I'm going to ask his brother, Kongi, please, would you accept Bage's gift, please? Sorry, but you can't see Kongi. Come to the winners. We're going to start off with the lads, the guys. So, the winner, this guy, he weighed in a lot.
Totally.
But now, he's a sexy guy. So, in saying that, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Blake!
Never say. I just want to say thank you guys for creating this space. I think for me, from the start, what I joined was I'm becoming leader this month, and I think this one was different. I'm used to training by myself and going to the voice. But I think for this one, that made me more happy to see my church family working as well, and see my mom on heaps of stuff. And I'm grateful for this opportunity, and yeah, thanks.
Female section, the ladies. I want to hand this over to Jen. She's going to do it. So, Jen.
Hi again.
Good evening.
So I just, this person here, I would say has lost the overall weight on both categories. She lost, wait, sorry, step back please, sorry. She lost 14.3 kg.
Wow.
So I just wanted to give a little backstory about this person because she didn't always show up to our trainings. So her weight loss was based around nutrition. So she didn't exercise hard out, like how we would always say 80% nutrition, 20% fitness. So I'm super proud of this person. I'm super proud of all you ladies. But with that being said, our winner for 2025 is Tupe Awa!
Wanna see some Michael Jackson dance moves?
Every day. God is great.
Just want to say thank you. Oh my gosh. Every time I speak, I always want to cry. I just want to thank Jen and George, like all things for creating the space. I did this for me and my kids because we were all getting bigger and we weren't getting smaller. But it's just for my health and also to show my kids that fitness is fun. Depends on your surroundings, the people that you deal with. So just seeing everyone here today, keep going, never give up, have that mindset, so you know you can do it. Just thank you.
We want everyone to carry on with their journey and just know that, you know, we're with you guys 100%. Yeah, so everything, write it down, whatever is your aim, you go, write it down. So as we pull you up, we'll give everyone their certificate and their journal.
Operating.
Mr. Operating.
Alatoni Namo. Argentina Namo.
Oh, they're going
Evita Big Tail. Faith Operating. Hope Operating. Josephine Operating. Kenese Unival. Lilo Nacerino. Luis Liceo. Leo Mosso. Rita Nell. Tasha Hills. And last but not least, Thomas Nell.
But we'll be fast. We would like to have a few little things to go to the wine challenge leaders from all of us. Really little things. But if I can call on Sally, this is for something for all of us. But yeah, well, that's you. It's made of thin metal, but we just wanted to give you guys something that when you go everywhere, then you can just carry it. It's got, if you haven't subscribed, please right? So that we can get some money. But, Jean, this is for you. The next lady picked us up when we had no car. She's just amazing. I call her Dee, but you guys call her Tish. So Dee, you keep one too. And our sis Chris. Okay. The bestest mother in the whole wide world, but I think she's got a bounce out of your appeal. It's for you, bro. No worries. And for Tony, thank you, brother, for always picking us up. And then, stay social, we can dance. Keep the shows. Come on, dudes. And then the last one is for Dino, who's on his own. So, I'll give it to you. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Touch me and you rub me lovely. Now kiss a hug. Don't be shy, little girl. Oh yeah, you got to try, a little love. One love, baby, one love. One love, baby, one love. You don't have to worry about love. Yeah. Don't be shy, little girl. You got to try, a little love. One love, baby, one 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 love. One love.
Now, Rhea, you know I feel you on this one.
You keep winning all the way.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
I can see it in their eyes, they try to hurt you. In the shade, they talk away and criticize too. Entertain you with a lie that don't concern you. Just keep moving along because doesn't matter what they say. Even if they're gonna hate, let the haters do their thing. You keep winning all the way. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. You're a winner, winner.
I'm really checking it.
Keep winning all the way.
Said I've been through similar things. Where they love it, where they turn around and then hate on me. Cause I'm thuggish, they love it when you here, but hate it when you gone. They yap it right behind you, but they playing all your songs. See, I know how people can be now, not realizing they putting people down. They see you trying to say something, thinking
hashtag Y for the final time. 1, 2, 3.
Hashtag Y!
Hey, thanks everyone.
Fight your destiny, fate to lose. If you give them that time to get played a fool, then it's shame on you, shame on you.
I see them faking. You don't need them anyway. But why they hating? Cause they're only in the way. They try to hold me back from me doing me. But I know everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. You're only a winner. You're only a winner. Win it all the way. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. You're only a winner. You keep winning all the way.